I'm just exploring some country roads. Nice road. Trying to see where it leads to. But along the road, of course, you come across some stray puppies with wounds. And I'm on a scooter, and I'm with my own dog right now, so. Hi, baby! Hi, baby! Hi! Hello! Kisses for me? Yeah, hey! Hey! Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy? Something's wrong with this one's back. I don't know what happened to it. Hey, baby. Hey. It's okay. Yeah, it's a camera. See? I don't know. It looks like it was just a circle. A perfect circle. I don't know how a dog gets a perfect circle on its back. It's either burned in or cut in. See that? I don't know. Okay, well, someone's been giving these puppies food, and there's water, and they have shade, so it's not as bad as it could be. And here's my dog, finally caught up with me. And she doesn't like puppies. She knows I often take them into my house, and then they steal away from her attention. Here you can see my dog hiding on the scooter while the puppies try to get some attention from it. Seeing the puppies that were deserted in the country. I come to 7-Eleven and I see this little guy. He's getting some food, but he doesn't look healthy.